Welcome back here in Wake Up Ilocos, and it's now time for Wake Up promo. Yes, eto na ang ating question for this week. Ano ang featured gadgets sa segment na iTech noong November 15 to 21? Yes, dapat inabangan yan. So ito again, ano ang featured gadgets sa segment na iTech noong November 15 to 21? Very excited naman ako kung sino man nanalo dito. And you can send your answers to 0927-505-2783 and here.
And to send your answer, ganito lang yung dapat ninyong gawin. Just type your answer, space, your name, space, and your address. Then send it to 0927-505-2783. So, ang cut-off time natin is every 5 p.m. And you can claim your prize. Of course, the claiming period natin is within 30 days, di ba?
And the announcement of the winners will be
at the end of the season.
Yes, the end of the season. Kaya kailangan abangan nila the whole season around here.
Okay, tsaka tingnan ninyo yung mga cellphone ninyo, baka malay nyo.
Yun. Kaya lagi niyo pong abangan ang ating mga episodes kasi kukuha sila ng mga questions sa buong episode yun eh. So, dun sila kukuha. So,
correct.
Diba?
Tsaka through electronic raffle ito, Roxy. Kaya social dahil we're talking about high-tech, di ba? Mga gadgets natin. So, high-tech din ang draw natin, raffle natin.
Yes, kaya ito, tutukan nyo ho, Aki, ang Wake Up Ilocos. So, Wake Up Ilocos will be right back.